How to continue recording a draft video on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can continue recording a draft video on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to continue recording a draft video on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch the TikTok application here. And let's say you have added some kind of draft video previously. You can tap the profile icon from bottom right to come to profile page, and here you will be able to see the videos you've added to draft. So now you can simply select the video that you've added and then just tap on that particular video to load it up. Now let's say you want to continue recording after this video, even after this video is in your draft. What you can do is at the very top left you can see the back arrow icon. So when you tap the back arrow icon, it will give you two options, either to quit the editing or to continue the recording. So when you tap the continue recording option, you should be able to find a new page where you'll be able to resume your recording, and after that you should be able to go ahead and then basically enter your recording as well. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically continue recording a draft video on TikTok. Hope this video is very helpful to you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.